Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this abstract painting called Metal Mayhem style.
Alright, the question of the day is, who is Robert Delaunay?
Alright, let's run through the colors.
Titanium white, horse black, quin red, pearly red, quin blue.
Alright, for this one, it looks pretty good. I'm going to add a darker purple and a lighter purple to kind of contrast, and then pull this red and blue through.
So Robert Delaunay is a French artist, and he lived through a really interesting period. Some of his earlier works are more like Fauvism, as well as before that he also did some kind of pointillism style work. Later he developed a style called orphanism, and then abstract art where he did pure geometric style. So he did quite a few different styles. He lived from 1844 to 1941, right before the outbreak, or at the beginning of outbreak of World War II. So he went through a really interesting period of evolution of art styles during that time frame, and he painted nearly all of them. So very interesting abstract artist in France. That's the question of the day.
Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we have this nice gradation between the blues, the red, purple. Added some highlight lines to kind of break that up, give it more of an interesting look. Get this really nice dark purple to white contrast in this corner, and as well as a nice dark highlight on that side. Overall, this is the painting that got the most color, so it has the most reds, the most blues, a lot of range in the colors, so it's more darker painting, but I still think it's light enough with a lot of the white popping through. So it has a lot of good balance, a lot of good grays, black and white. Overall, I think I like it. I tried to limit my palette again, similar to how I did kind of the black and white version. I just used a few colors, red, white, blue, white, no yellow. I just wanted to kind of see those combination of colors. And also just so, just kind of, for a certain style people are looking for, like, if they're matching a blue wall, a light red wall, a dark red couch, this kind of painting is going to pop a lot. Also, you get a lot of variation just in the color itself, so I don't think you need a lot of colors. Like, I used to mix a lot of colors, so in the bigger style painting, I think that's necessary. In a smaller version, I think you can limit the palette a lot more. So overall, I like it. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.